Next category, Expert Pro, followed by Executive 40 up.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Double time kay Ulaga. Expert Pro, fifth place, Bernardo Basilan. Fourth place, Guning Lopez from Bohol. Third place, Ron Balyador. Second place, Maki Chong. And champion, Rai Rai by 8. Next category, Executive 40 up. Maki Chong. Champion, Rai Rai by 8 from Martis Racing. Alright, Executive 40 up, prepare. Executive 40 up. Fifth placer, Dorbella Ricare. Fourth placer, Kirol. Third placer, Ashiteru Takashi from Japan. Second place, Saisai Busaya from Zamboanga City. Champion, Tata Kalingasyon. Next category, ladies. Aman si Tata day. Gigi. Next category, ladies. Ladies category, fifth placer, Joanna Paco. Third placer, Rafa Gonzalez. Second placer, Nika Kirol. Third placer is Nika Kirol. Second placer, Laila Guru. Champion, Saira Paco. Again, fifth placer, Joanna Paco. Fourth placer, Rafa Gonzalez. Third placer, Nika Kirol. Second placer, Laila Guru. Champion, Saira Paco. Next category, 50cc. 50cc. Ang third kay si Nika Kirol. Third, Nika Kirol. Aman. Ay, wala. Pusita 50cc. 50cc. Fifth place, Rusty. Fifth place, Rusty. Fourth place, Tabunok. Third place, Suki from Jensen. Aliagan. And the second place, Kai Pabalate. Champion, the Cobra Princess of Malaysia. Zamboanga City. Kai Adam. Next category, Pro Open. Alright, fifth place, Pro Open. Fifth place, Bernardo. Fifth place, Bernardo. Fourth place, Ron Balyador. Third place, Natalie Patino. Second place, Maki Chong. Champion, Rai Rai by 8. Fourth. Again, fifth placer, Bernardo. Fourth placer, Ron Balyador. Third placer, Natalie Patino. Second placer, Maki Chong. Champion, Rai Rai by 8. Alright. On behalf sa management, we would like to thank you all para sa pag-complete aning event. And Mayor, do you have something to say?
Picture mo yung bitsay.
Yes! Wait lang. Wait lang ba?
On behalf of the LGUT Tide, ang akong pagpasalamat sa mga organizer team, Ramos at sa bantang team na yung mention kanina, wala na ko nakakawa. So ang akong pagpasalamat, naibong nalang po sila ng activity ang atong invitational motocross competition. So, naging tayo ng katawan sa tita, yung nakakita.
Picture na.
Kaya wala ka ko, kaya nag-picture. Pero si attorney, lalo na tayo. Si Saibang! Congratulations sa mga.
Dali, picture na yun.
Congratulations. And then, daghan tayong salamat sa atong tanan karong event.
Alright, thank you. That's Mayor Rio Rita Martinez Castillo. So, nalang may gusto madunggan. Next year ba na ba may expect race on? Yes, that's the spirit. Alright. October. Oh, we have the race October dito sa Titay Gabon, ha? Kita-kits, mga rider. Titay is having a race this month of October. So, see you soon. And God bless us all. Right safe sa inyo pagpauli. Dagang salamat.
Game year. Hilak ko na siya ganito. Ay, itong kwan. Itong kwan. Ito ang baga niyo mo. Ako lang ikaw nakuha. Mga talik to. Wala ka, nang hipos mo ba sa Papa J dito? Si Ma'am. Ano mo si Dalar to?
Sana gusto. Sana yung kabitera ko.
Betsita. Nanghida to. Tupak lang isa kan anak. Sabi to. So manguli na ito mga idol kay mga awarding. So yun na nila siya. Human o gana happy meet. Pero sa restaurant, ning kamot yun sila kinsa makauna. Tara, picture sa sila. Eh, bakit picture pa sa niyo? Badan singkay, gunit.
1, 2, 3. Vic!
Kameraman.
Go!
Thank you, Mayor!
Wala, masap kayo.
Thank you, Mayor! Dasigditan!
3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you, Mayor! Dasigditan!
Paldo. Paldo. Thank you. Wow, pwede yung lapuka na. Alright po, paulit na ito mga idol. Bye bye. God bless po sa inyo lahat. Thank you so much.